Yujin, Ani, school's over finally, and the quadratic formula was hard enough. Thankfully there isn't a cubic formula. I don't know what I'd do with that.
Actually, Leeseo, there does exist a cubic formula.
Wait, what? A cubic formula exists?
Yes, Leeseo, a cubic formula exists, but before we get to a general cubic formula, we have to talk about depressed cubics and their formula. A depressed cubic is a cubic without a quadratic term. They can always be expressed as above for constants m and n.
Well, Yujin, Ani, how do you solve a depressed cubic?
Solving a depressed cubic is very simple. Just make the following substitutions for u and v. If you wonder why they work, just imagine a large cube with side length u split up by a smaller cube with side length v at its corners, like pictured above. Since we know the values for m and n, solving for u and v becomes a trivial system of equations, and we can solve a depressed cubic.
But what if the cubic has a quadratic term? What do we do then?
Well, we just have to make it into a depressed cubic. Given a cubic x cubed plus b, x squared plus c, x plus d, we can substitute y minus b over 3 for x. Once we do that, we will have a depressed cubic in terms of y, which we know how to solve, so we can solve for x. Now you know how to solve a cubic if you ever come across one.